Hi, I'm Nato Thompson, and I want to thank you for visiting the Alternative Art School site. If you're here, it means you're curious. So this video is meant to kind of walk you through the basic ways in which we work. To start off, thank you for being an artist or someone engaged in the arts. It's a noble thing. We believe in it clearly, and it's not simple. So thank you. We have a free class. It's the easiest way to get your toes wet in terms of this. Just take the free class. It's a class that I put together called Making a Life of Art. It kind of gives you a sense of how to integrate art into your life. So there's this free class, and as part of the class, you become a member at the school. You join our network. You'll get opportunity posts. You'll get videos. It's a great way to engage, and it's free. Of course, it's entirely passive. You can't interact. If you want to go to the next level, which is the TAAS resident level, well, then it's $25 a month. Think about that, just $25 a month. It's the cost of a streaming service. And then you can participate in visiting artists and curators lectures. We have tour of the art worlds where people from different parts of the world show you their art scenes. We have professional development workshops. We have workshops I do. We have opportunities that are exclusive to the artists that are members at the school, from showing in venues to possibility of being parts of open calls elsewhere. So great opportunities. And you can also have your work highlighted in our social posts. There's a lot of great stuff. And the most important part is you're part of a community of working artists around the world. And working artists, let's just say, if you think you're past art school or all that, everyone needs a community of peers willing to assist them, give them grist for the mill, and to find solace in a very confusing world. So that's just a basic breakdown. There's a free class, become a member, and if you want to pay $25 a month, you become a TAAS resident. I hope you think of all three. Looking forward to having you part of the community. And of course, thank you for being an artist.